Assalamualaikum and hi. Today Group TRANZO will be presenting our supply chain management group project for EBM3153. Our project focus on trusted cold chain logistics in Sarawak, KFF Logistics, Sendirian Berhad. Let me introduce our team member first, which is Awang Mama Iqbal, Siti Zulaiha, Dayang Najwa Aiman, Azira is me, and Azrul Aiman, KFF background. So the company was started in 1970 as a small-scale seafood processing facility before officially incorporating in 1977 to meet the rising demand in specialist cold chain infrastructure. KFF Logistics was established in 2008. Today, the vision is to be the leader in the public refrigerator warehouse in Sarawak. The core service including storage, space rental, local national truck service, and handling import-export logistic requirements. Together, primary data, our group conducted a 3-hour industrial visit on May 15, 2026 at KFF Logistics, Kuching. We are hosted by a warehouse management, which is Miss Hanisha and Miss Adeline as a quality assurance, and Miss Nurul and Mr. Haris as a quality control team. Our field work was split into the 2 sessions. The session 1 is a formal interview with the management to get the operational insight. So the second session is the guidance tour around the 5 specialist warehouse branch area.
My name is Dayana Najwa Aima, and today I will be presenting our primary findings regarding KFF Logistic Warehouse Operation. As we analyze the physical ecosystem of KFF Warehouse, the finding naturally split into 2 main operational pillars: inventory management on the left and supporting technological application on the right. Let's start with inventory management. To maximize space and keep stock moving efficiently, KFF strictly enforce 2 core principles. Number 1 is FIFO, first expired, first out. And number 2 is FIFO, first in and first out. By continuously monitoring shelf life, they ensure customer goods never sit on the racks or go to waste. Secondly, KFF handles a highly diverse portfolio. To eliminate risk and cross-contamination, their warehouses are physically zoned. They maintain completely separate, dedicated areas for 3 distinct categories: food products, non-food products, and hazardous chemical. This strict segregation guarantees that sensitive food-grade items are never compromised by industrial goods. Now, moving over to the right side, these inventory systems are backed by powerful logistic technology. First, KFF utilizes advanced cold chain infrastructure. They run precise microclimates across different sectors to protect temperature-sensitive items. For example, the loading bay operates between 0 until 7 Celsius. Chillers run between 0 until 4 Celsius. And the frozen room drops down to several freezing temperature between -18 until -28 Celsius. Because these environments are so extreme, KFF uses integrated tech to enforce maximum stay safety limits for their staff. Restriction operation to 15 to 30 minutes to protect worker health. Finally, to eliminate bottlenecks, KFF relies heavily on digital planning software. This framework schedule their daily resource and automate preventive maintenance for heavy machinery like forklift, pallet runners, and packaging equipment by predicting maintenance needs rather than reacting to breakdowns. KFF keep operational downtime to an absolutely minimum. In short, this combination of smart stock rotation and robust cold chain technology is exactly what keeps KFF warehouse highly effective and reliable. Thank you very much, and now I will pass it to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, I'm Awang Mama Iqbal. Today I will present about the secondary logistic activities, which is delivery. First, under inventory management, KFF deliver using delivery based on product categories. Products are grouped according their temperature and handling requirement, especially for frozen and chilled goods. This helps maintain product quality and ensure that product arrives safely at their destination. In addition, strategic loading and route planning help reduce load damage and improve delivery efficiency. For the second inventory management practice is monitoring inventory during distribution. Before delivery, products are checked for quality, quantity, type, and also condition to ensure accuracy. This reduces delivery errors such as missing, incorrect, and damaged items. Proper stock controlling during the transportation also help minimize inventory loss and improve customer satisfaction. For the technology application, KFF use refrigerated transportation technology. temperature control trucks maintain the required condition for frozen and chilled product, while cooling chain integrity protects product freshness and food safety. This helps reduce spoilage and ensure high quality deliveries. And lastly, KFF also applies a logistic coordination and tracking system. This technology supports a road optimization, on-time delivery monitoring, and also a quick response to unexpected change, such as urgent customer requests or road diversion. As a result, delivery operation become more efficiency and reliable.
So, Assalamualaikum. So, I'm the next presenter for this slide. So, KFF Logistic can implement an integrated supplier information sharing system. So, this system allows the supplier to access the real-time inventory and delivery information, and helping to reduce communication delay and stock shortage and overstocking problem. So, the secondly is about the KFF Logistic can establish the collaborative cold chain quality management, or we call that CCQM. So, program with supplier through supplier audit, training and temperature monitoring. Both parties can maintain the consistent quality standard and ensure the food safety throughout the cold chain process. So, together, these two strategies can improve the coordination, product quality, and supply trust. About the third strategy is to develop a strategic supplier partnership and performance evaluation program. So, KFF Logistic can evaluate supplier based on delivery performance, product quality, temperature control, and responsiveness, and even inventory accuracy. So, high-performing supplier can be rewarded with a long-term contract and partnership opportunities, and while underperforming supplier can receive the support for improvement. So, from this strategy, help the boost stronger supplier commitment and encourage the continuous improvement and ensure a more reliable supply chain. So, that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Siti Zulaiha. Today I will present about customer relationship enhancement. First, KFF Logistic focus on collaborative inventory optimization. They integrate FIFO and FIFO method into the warehouse management system for strict shelf life monitoring, and by providing customer with an analytics dashboard and automated expire alert, they actively help client reduce product ship ends and financial loss. Second, they establish joint quality assurance partnership. To guarantee safety, KF maintains strictly segregated storage for hazardous and food grade product. The digital sanitation certificates are tied directly to ISO 22000 and HACCP standard, and they invite clients to participate in joint inspection to reinforce trust. And third, a massive strength for them here is Malaysia is their end-to-end cold chain integrity insurance. KF Logistic operate specialized refrigerated warehouse and a transport fleet across the Sarawak. They utilize IoT-enabled temperature monitoring and share this telematic data transparently with client, which prevents spot outs and protect the brand reputation. And finally, they utilize predictive delay mitigation and automated exception management. By using a real-life telematic and predictive maintenance system, KF can automatically push out direction alert and update ATA. This drastically improve their responsiveness during the unpredictable event like Sarawak seasonal flood and unexpected transit delay. In summary, their strategy show that KF Logistic goes beyond basic warehousing and transport, and they actively use the technology to protect their customer good and business interests. That's all for me.
For a supply chain perspective, KFF displayed the excellent operating efficiency, inventory rotation. They strictly practice FIFO and FIFO principle to prevent the stock spoilage. So in technology, they utilize the multiple zone cold room technology with a 5 specialist temperature zone alongside tracking system on their refrigerated vehicle. Our recommendation to boost professional trust, we suggest that KFF implement a real-time inventory information sharing system and self-live dashboard with their corporate B2B client to collaborate better, reduce waste. So in conclusion, KFF effectively bright economic supply chain theory with a real-world practice to guarantee food safe across Sarawak. That's conclude our presentation for Group TRANZO. Thank you very much.